All right, guys, we finna get right into it. And number one is gonna be this rear roof. The rear roof line. And true enough, this isn't the ugliest roof in the car industry, or the ugliest rear roof, the rear section of the roof. But compared to the X6, it's hideous. Hideous, in my personal opinion. Number two is gonna be the lack of a digital cluster. And I think standard, correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm 99% sure the X6 comes standard with a fully digital cluster. This is what a cluster in the X5 standard should look like. Number three, no LED headlights. Why would you put LED fog lights on a car or a truck and not do the headlights as well? I mean, that makes no sense. Every other light on this entire car, literally almost every other light on this entire car, besides this little marker bulb here, is an LED. Beautiful. It's a beautiful SUV. Gorgeous. Why not go LED lights? So number three is definitely going to be the headlights on the X5. Okay, guys, for number four, I'm not going to be able to show you guys because it's hidden in the engine and I actually don't know where it is. But I'm going to show you guys a couple of pictures of it. And that's the N55 platform electronically controlled water pump. It's the biggest piece of dog turd that BMW ever put in the, I mean, almost worse than the valve seals in some of the older engines. And the reason it goes bad isn't what you think. Most water pumps go bad when the pieces of the propeller break off or something like that. But this water pump goes bad from an electronically controlled problem. You know, something in the software goes bad, one of the PCB boards fry or something like that. So the only way to tell when your water pump has went bad is when your engine starts running hot. You know, so you could be on the highway anywhere and boom, the car starts running hot because the water pump is no longer turning. Then you want to change the thermostat and the water pump at the same time when it goes bad. You know, that's what I call planned obsolescence, you know. Yeah. The water pump is meant to go bad. I mean, what else would it be? So that's going to be number four. Number five is going to be the trim. True enough, you can get the shadow line trim as an option, but I don't know anyone in year 2019, even 18, 20, especially not 21, would want chrome trim on the car. I mean, chrome is, I don't know if this is considered chrome, but I mean, who, you know, it doesn't look chrome here. That's more of a satin. Now, if this was satin all the way around here, I wouldn't be, you know, I wouldn't complain, but this is chrome. And let me show you the reason why I don't like it. I don't know if you guys can see it, but that's clean. And you see how hazed out it is? And that's clean. I actually took a buffing compound to it and it stays like that. So if I had the shadow line trim, which comes like these window dividers here, you know, it'll be a lot better, a hell of a lot nicer looking truck, you know, with the shadow line window trim. I know that's small to pick. I can wrap it, I can paint it, but it'd be nice if all of them came with that trim, the shadow line trim. And that's gonna be number 5. Those are the 5 things that I dislike about the BMW X5 F15 chassis. If it's anything else that you guys dislike about the SUV, leave it down in the comments. No matter if it's about the X5 or the X6 F15 chassis, leave it down in the comments. Let me know what you guys think, and also let me know what you guys think about the reasons why I dislike it. But before you do, most of the things that I dislike about the truck could be changed, as the headlights could be changed and coded. The digital cluster can be changed and coded to the car. The shadow line trim, well, the chrome trim on the truck can be painted to match the shadow line trim. About the only thing that can't be changed is the water pump and the roof line. I mean, you got to buy a different engine or a different platform for that. But at least that I'm aware of, unless somebody has some special chop shop out there mounting water pumps on engine or stuff like that. But yeah, guys, this is going to be the end of this video. You know, I really appreciate all you guys that come and watch the content. You know, if you're new here, welcome to the Autolust family. Thank you for subscribing. You know, and if you've been here before, thank you guys a lot as well. I really appreciate your time. You know, I know it's a crazy world out here right now, so I really appreciate you guys sitting down, taking the time out to watch my content when you guys could be doing so many other things, you know. But please like, share, and subscribe to the content, and I'll see you guys on another video. Autolust out.